Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing some of our first modifications to the Sur-Ron Lite-B X. So first things I wanted to get were some bigger pegs and some riser bars. So we are going to be installing some Pro Taper bars and some bigger pegs today. Also got some more cushiony grips, iPhone mount. And just so you guys can tell the difference, I already did one of them, stock peg and new peg. As you can see, so stoked about these. As you guys know, all the links to all this stuff will be in the description of the video as usual. So let's get to work. So I'm gonna start with the handlebars first. I already took off the stock grips. You want to be careful on this side because you have your electronic throttle. All right, guys, so we got the new bars put on, new grips. Everything is mounted up and it's looking good. I did want some kind of cushioning in there, some kind of dampening system to keep the vibrations a little lower in the handlebars when I ride, but that is not thick enough, so gotta find something a little thicker. It's rideable, but not trail worthy. I'm gonna throw on the other peg here, and way bigger. We got everything installed. Got the new pegs, new bars, got the GoPro mount up there and the phone mount up there. New grips. Bars came with the pad. I was able to use that. I'm gonna have to modify it a little bit to get it to fit just right. Got a new number plate that I'm gonna cut out for the light, and that'll make everything flush and look really nice again. I'm gonna go for a little test ride and explain to you guys exactly what I did and why. First two mods. So we are out here at Ellings Park, which is a pretty awesome place. It's in Santa Barbara. You got Hang Gliders Hill, and there's just tons of mountain bike trails. There's a BMX park over here. Some pretty crazy stuff. Not a whole lot of jumps other than in the BMX park, but super fun. Wanted to test out the new bars. They're 80 millimeter rise, Pro Taper grips, and they work great. I had the phone mount on there, did two of the downhills, some jumps. It hasn't moved at all. Solid, working good. Love having my phone right there. So it's really easy to install new bars. You just loosen up the 4 bolts right here on your stem, loosen up all your controls. You take the 2 Allen keys right here, loosen up your brake, loosen up your throttle with the Allen keys, loosen up this brake with your Allen keys. Little control module is 2 Phillips heads, and you can really loosen it with just one of them. That's the main bolt there, and then you have the secondary. Careful, if you over tighten this, your horn is going to stick in. Yeah, so you just loosen all that stuff up, and you can kind of slide the bars through the stem that way, pull all this stuff off, let it kind of hang down. Do the same for the other side, slide the bars this way, pull all the stuff down, let it hang off. You're gonna grab your new bars, slide them in there, and then remount your controls. Super, super easy. Really good setup for the Sur-Ron. Particular reason why I like these bars for the Sur-Ron is because they're a little smaller than the set bars in here. They're 29s, so it leaves me enough room to put a little rubber pad in there, which works great for absorbing some of that initial hit from having mountain bike shocks on here. So if you guys are interested in these bars, the link will be in the description. Like I said, they don't fit into the stem the way they are. You have to put something in there, which is why I got them. I really like having a little absorption in the bars, so I just put a little piece of rubber in there around the bars and tighten it on real tight, and it's not moving or anything. Feels a lot better. Let's go to the pegs. These are some of the cheapest, biggest, nicest, lightest pegs I could find. They're working great, super easy to install, guys. You don't even have to unscrew this from the bike. Literally, there is a little lock washer right here. You just want to slip that thing off with like a flathead screwdriver. Just pop it off, pull the washer out behind it, and then you can just kind of wiggle the peg and pull this pin out. Your peg comes out. Put the new one in, set the spring. Make sure you take a picture of how the springs are so it's nice and easy to put it back together, and that it folds right and the spring works correctly. Push the pin back through, make sure you get that washer, and then the lock washer snaps all the way in place and you're good to go. So those are my first 2 mods on the Sur-Ron, mainly because those were the things that were annoying me the most. Having the really small pegs, especially now that I have riding boots for when I do some serious trail riding, you can't even feel those little pegs. So having a good platform, good solid place to put your foot really, really helps. And then me being a bigger guy, having that 80mm rise up in the front is night and day. Feels way better. Hitting these jumps right now, it's just, yeah. I really wanted to do that. One of the first things for sure. These grips are a little more padded. They're not the pillow tops, but I don't like the pillow tops because they wear really easily, having the up and down and up and down. These are solid, nice padded Pro Taper grips. Like I said, guys, the link to all these things will be in the description. Stay tuned because there's a lot more modifications and building to come on the Sur-Ron, and links will always be in the description for all the stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will try to get back to you same day. See you next time.